Morning. Today is another day of work, another vlog. Where am I going right now? It's 10:43 in the morning. I've been on the school run and I'm going Volkswagen again because I went on Thursday, dropped the car off, should have been ready Friday, get a phone call Friday saying they've not got the part in stock and can they keep it till Monday? And I was like, hell no. So I'm going again today, drop the car off and then recollect tomorrow or tonight, hopefully, I don't know. I've got the lamb keema and I've got 3 onions. What do you think she's cooking? I'll leave it as a wild guess till later. Great stuff. I'm home and guess what? Day of work, the washing machine is broke. I have picked up my Uber driver. Today I'm the Uber driver today. And we need to get this washing machine sorted. So I'm taking it with me. We're going to Curry's, see what we can find.
You want to hold your hand for that?
I could go on AO.com, but the trouble is I need it now and now. So see what's there, see what's in stock. Got my tape measure. So she goes to me, I smell of curry. Typical. That's a bit racist, that, you know. So yeah, I smell of food. Sarah's cooking. I've still not told you what she's cooking. But hopefully when we get back, it's cooked and we can have a nice little look at it together. It will be delicious, as usual. Extra good. Delicious. Fries are nice and fresh. Do the extra hot chicken wrap. Beautiful. We are here at Curry's. Let's go and have a look. Washing machines. I'm having a dilemma. I don't know what machine to get. So I need to ring up. I need to call a friend for advice. Listen, which one should I get? I've settled for this one because it's 11 kilos. It's bigger than the old one. And it's a hot point. So it should be a lot better. Hopefully it lasts me 20 years. God, we've got the washing machine. I am warm, I am sweaty. We've got the goods on our way home. But oh yeah, school run time as well, innit? It's 2:53. Need to go school run yet.
No.
Just knocked on for my neighbour because I know he has a trolley. I remember him showing me a cargo trolley. If he's got that, it'll help me out a lot. I hope his stepmom will take it. No, take it straight now. Volkswagen has just rang me and the car's ready for collection. So I need to go get the car now. The washing machine will have to wait till I'm back. My next door neighbour Ernie is a legend. There's absolutely no way I could have done this on my own. That pathway was a struggle. And that's what you call brilliant, top-notch neighbours. Yes, we've got the car back. It feels so good to be back in the car. Beautiful. And the airbag light is gone as well now. Time to get back to the washing machine. Alright, let's get this washing machine prepped up. The first thing we need to do is remove these 10mm bolts. Number 2, it's well tight. Bolt number 3 and bolt number 4. That goes onto there. Oh, right, that's in. Switch it on. It's on. Ow. It's on. Right, guys, let's push this back. What's that noise? Something's leaking. Fuck me, that wasn't very good, was it? So what happened then was when I pushed the machine back, it turned the other tap on there. And that one started p***ing water out. Oh, Bob's your uncle. And now we can finish today's vlog off with a nice, delicious lasagna. And that's what she needed the lamb keema for. The lasagna. Guys, you won't believe what I've just found. I've just come to my shed to put some tools away, and I've just found a bird's nest. And I thought there might be eggs inside. Or it might be empty, but it's not. There's actually birds inside, but I don't know how long since they've hatched. And I don't know what breed they are as well. If any of you guys know what birds these are, just leave a comment down below. Stay tuned because I'll try and record them every day and I'll upload more footage. Quick bite on this lasagna, look at that. Flavors are so nice. I don't know how she does it. She's the most amazing cook, I just don't know how she does it. Flavors are spot on, the keema tastes nice. There's not too much of any one spice, it's just pure flavor. She's a chef.